lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. Put the lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. Put the lime in the coconut, she called the doctor, woke him up and said, Doctor, is there nothing I could take? I said, Doctor, to relieve this bellyache. I said, Doctor, is there nothing I could take? I said, Doctor, to relieve this bellyache. I said,
now let me get this straight. Put the lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drink a bowl up. She put the lime in the coconut, she
called the doctor, woke him up, said, Doc.
Okay, we get that panel out. See this angle piece right here that they beat flat? They just kind of bent everything in here. I don't know why they just didn't cut it off and just leave this piece where it didn't have to beat it up. And there's a brace here. Had to straighten it out some. But see the length of it? Now, on the other side, whatever reason, is longer. They did the same thing in that corner too. I'm not sure why. But that's what we're here for. Try to fix this stuff. At least figure out how to fix it. Alright folks, that's all I got for you tonight. Go work on your projects. Catch me on the next video.